Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the braids are in. So after the last time I took down my protective style, which was in January, I told you guys I was going to be letting my hair alone for a while. I'm going to also be trying out twists, which I did. If you have not seen that video, I'm going to leave a link up, I think, here on your screen so you can go back and watch that video, and I'm going to share with you guys my experience with that twist and why I have installed back my braids. By the way, this braid is over a week and 3 days. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my installation and all, but I also have videos of how I install my braids. If you've been following me for a while, you would have seen that video. If you have not seen that, I'm going to leave the link up on your screen as well, or in the description box. I am so excited that the braids are in. There's a whole new feeling with protective style these days for me. So I've been on a break from braids for about 2 months now. I am back to my braids. I installed my mini braids again, and I'm going to tell you guys how many months I'm going for this time around. But for the twist, I installed the twist around first week of February, but all in all, my twist only lasted for about 3 weeks, and I took it down after 3 weeks. Why did I take it down after 3 weeks? You guys know the struggle with twist. It doesn't last as long as braid does. It tends to be very freezing, and of course, because I always like to moisturize in between, like 2 to 3 times a week, that frizziness was bound to be very obvious, and I don't want my hair to lock. So my hair usually locks up in twist than with braids. Like, my hair typically never locks with braids, but with twists there's going to be a very big problem if I left that in for longer than that. And I also washed my hair in that twist, so it wasn't going to work. Like, leaving it for a longer time, it wasn't going to work. So I just left it for 3 weeks, and I took it down and did all my treatments, deep conditioning, shampoo, hair mask, a whole lot before I install these braids. So how long am I going to be going for with these braids? Yes, I know that is what a lot of you want to know, and I will really encourage you at this point, if you have been looking for how to grow your hair, like how to retain more length, because this is all about length retention any way you look at it, because your hair is growing, but a lot of us have issues with retaining the length that is coming out from our scalp. So we have to do everything possible for us to retain that length. And for me, I found that mini braids works for me. I mean, the way my hair was before I started this mini braid journey and how my hair is, there's a huge difference. So I know that this is working, and I have to keep doing it. So yes, that is what I am doing currently, and I am going for another, drum roll, I'm going for another 6 months mini braids challenge. Yes, I know you'll be like, why? Yes, why not? So for me, it is the best way to protect my hair. Of course, with my kind of lifestyle, with my activities and all that I do, I don't have that much time going into my hair and doing a lot of stuff every now and then. Yes, so 6 months I am going this time around, and I am hoping that I'll be able to see it through to the end, because honestly, sometimes you start something and you think you're going to do it, but life happens and you don't know what happens. So, but for me, I am hopeful that I'm going to go through with the 6 months. I'm going to be doing some things in between, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys updates as I go, things that I'll be doing to help me to manage my braids. And I want to encourage you, if length retention is something you're looking forward to, join me in this challenge. Now, you mustn't keep your hair for 6 months. You can do 1 month or 2 months at most, and then take it down, refresh it, and continue like that, maybe every 2 months. You can do that. So either way, you're still going to be able to retain length, I promise you, because braids don't behave the way twists behave. With twists, there's a lot of maintenance to go with it, because if you don't maintain those twists, your hair is going to lock. you're definitely going to be transitioning into locks. So that is the reason why I have opted for braids better than using twists, because with braids I have less maintenance. Like, I don't have to go in there and always refresh my braids. No, for these braids I'll refresh maybe every 2 months, maybe, I don't know. It depends on how it is. Like for me, typically I just like to monitor the hair, see how it goes. If there are any hair, intertwining with each other, I take them apart, and separate them and redo them and all that. That's how I typically maintain my braids, and it has been working for me. So as I go along, I'll give you guys updates. I hope that you join me in this challenge. If you're struggling with hair growth, join in the challenge. Let's do this. Let's grow our hair using mini braids. Now, if you want to opt for mini twists, maybe because of your own kind of setup, that's fine, but just know that you're going to be maintaining your twists maybe at least every 2 to 3 weeks. You have to refresh them because they don't look as nice as braids look when kept for that long. So of course you have to know the pros and the cons and weigh it with your lifestyle, with your routine and all that, so that you don't fall into issues. And for washing my hair, I did share on my Facebook page that because of the heat, like the weather is so hot right here where I am in this part of the world, the weather is hot. So as against my washing my hair every month or every 6 weeks, I have to be washing this hair every 2 weeks. Like, that is what we work right now until the weather normalizes, because the heat is so much that most of the times I get sweaty on my scalp. I have a very oily skin, so my scalp gets sweaty. Those things are going to cause itchy scalp, so I want to avoid that as much as possible. So I'm going to be washing my hair every 2 weeks in this protective style. So that is something that has got to change, because the previous protective style challenge, I did wash my hair every month or every 6 weeks, but now the condition of the atmosphere now requires me to wash my hair every 2 weeks. Otherwise, I'm going to just rip my hair apart. So for my moisturization routine, it depends. I will see if I can do twice in a week instead of 3 times, because like I said, the weather is hot. So that is all I'm going to be doing for the next 6 months. And of course, I'll be coming up with updates. If anything changes, I'll let you guys know so that you also can be aware, and especially for those who want to join in the challenge, so that you can also be aware. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, put it down in the comment section. You can join my Facebook page. I share a lot of tips, I share a lot of things, helpful resources to help you grow healthy natural hair right there than I do here on YouTube. For YouTube, I do more videos, but if you want a community that will help you to grow your hair healthy, long, then check me out on Facebook at Joy B Naturals. I'm there as well, and on TikTok as well. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this helpful. I hope you join in the challenge. Let's grow our hair longer, healthier, and thicker this 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.